As the Supreme Court continues hearing into a white-collar bank heist of written-off loans, the State Bank presented these documents. The documents detail the names of at least 500,000 people and their companies which benefited from the generosity of banks due to lax financial controls. These details were submitted following a direction of Chief Justice of Pakistan, Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry, after he took suo motu notice of the white-collar bank robbery by influential people. I asked the lawyer of the State Bank of Pakistan about the extent of the problem. How much amount is involved in the total waived off loans?
The total amount that has been waived off is, let me read it, 256,665 million.
And how many people are involved in it?
And how many people who are beneficiary are about 6,69,819 from 1971 till 2009 December.
The Supreme Court is considering different options to incorporate in its final decision, which can lead to recovery of the waived off loans. But recovery of the waived off loans seems to be a difficult undertaking.
Once loans are written off, it would be an uphill task to recover.
At least 500,000 people belonging to the class of politicians, generals, bureaucrats, industrialists, landlords feature in the document who had their loans waived off. It is to be seen if the Chief Justice can use some magic wand to recover the money from those who seem to be well knitted in the corridors of power. Azaz Syed, DawnNews, Islamabad.